Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will going to learn how to install R and RStudio on Windows 10 or 11. So without further ado, let's get started. So first open your Chrome browser and then come over here and search for R download. Click on enter and here you will get an official website called cran.rproject.org. Not the first one, come over this here, it will be very easy to download. So click on that and after that, here you are in R 4.40 for Windows. You will get this option, the latest version to download. So click on download R 4.40 for Windows and here you can see the download is started over here. So it will take some of minutes. For that, I will fast forward the video. Here you can see the download has been completed right now. So now we will going to install it into our Windows operating system. For that, click over this downloads file icon and then click on it 2 times. And then click yes. Minimize it, and then here you can see they are saying for selecting language. You can select any of your preferable language. So I selected English and then click OK. And after that, click next and then leave it as default to installing browser file. Click next, and if you have 64-bit, then click on it and then click next. Please specify yes or not. It's not need to customize starter. If you're new in R programming language or if you're new in this R programming app, then you need to leave it as no and then click next. Next and create as a quick launch shortcut and then click next. So here you can see the installation is completed right now. After completing installations, click on yes, finish, and then come over another time to Google browser and then create a new tab and search for RStudio and then click download. After that, here you will get an option called RStudio desktop. So click on it and then here if you want to accept their cookies you can, but if you're not, then do nothing. So here you can see this is 2 options called install R. You can download it from here R. So R we already installed. Now we will go with the install RStudio. So for that, click on download RStudio desktop for Windows. And here you can see the download is started over here. It will take 5 or 10 minutes. For that, I will fast forward the video. So here you can see the RStudio download is completed right now. And now what we will do, we will click on this file icon over here. And then here you can see this RStudio. Click on it 2 times, minimize it. And here you can see that RStudio, click yes. And then here you will get the RStudio setup interface over here. So click on next, and then so here is something you need to reminder. You need to be 1.1 GB free space required in your C drive. Then if you have this, then you can install it without any hesitation. So click on next and leave it as RStudio and click install. And then here you can see the installation is started over here. So it will take 5 minutes. So without wasting any time, I will fast forward the video. So for that, we will go for the search option and search for RStudio. Here you can see the RStudio, we can see over here. Just click on it. And then the RStudio in desktop is running right now. So leave it a 64-bit version, you can see. And click OK. Take some of seconds. So here you can see the RStudio is opened in our Windows operating system. So here is a notification called may we upload crash reports to RStudio automatically. Click on yes if any crash happens in your RStudio, then it will automatically send to RStudio solver. So here you can see that we installed RStudio in our Windows operating system. Also, we installed R and also we installed RStudio. So now what we will show you that it working or not into our Windows operating system or not. For showing it, go for Edit and click Clear Console. So now we will show you Hello World for confirming that it works into our Windows operating system. For that, write print, select that, and then write hello world, press comma, dash, quote, write code, write false, and you click enter. And here you can see the hello world, they are replying or it's showing. So thank you so much for watching this video. In this video you learned how to install R and RStudio. So see you another video. Till then, goodbye.